What if a single natural language question could create the analysis you need? Not just a chart, but a structured view of your data. Not just one answer, but the ability to explore, compare, and drill down. In Harmony, one prompt becomes a working analytical frame. And from there, every comparison, breakdown, and follow-up is handled by the reasoning layer underneath. Dashboards don't make decisions. They show what happened, but they don't explain why it matters or what to do next. Harmony is built on Frametric, a decision intelligence platform designed to turn near-live operational data into clear, defensible reasoning. Instead of static reports, Harmony lets teams ask questions, explore patterns, compare frames, and drill into results without rebuilding dashboards or writing SQL. At the core is an AI-optimized semantic layer, translating complex data into consistent, governed meaning across teams and systems. Governance and ethics are built in by design, with guardrails, traceability, and auditability embedded into every decision path. This isn't a single product. It's core decision infrastructure, designed to power many applications across sectors without rebuilding. Watch how Harmony drills down, compares frames, and explains what changed, all on governed data. What you're seeing isn't a dashboard, and it isn't a chatbot. It's a reasoning layer, built to sit on top of real operational systems. This is Harmony in action, powered by Frametric.